Hello students, today we will discuss the topic batteries from the electrochemistry for class 12. What are batteries? You have learned previously different type of cell. So in case of battery is actually have more than one cell connected in series. Cell that we have used a source of electrical energy is basically a galvanic cell where the chemical energy of the redox reaction is converted into electrical energy. यानी बैटरीज हैं क्या? बैटरीज जो होते हैं गैल्वेनिक सेल सीरीज में कनेक्टेड होते हैं. देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ बैटरीज, प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी. व्हाट आर प्राइमरी and what is the difference between primary and secondary batteries? Primary batteries cannot be recharged after use, whereas the secondary batteries can be charged after use. यानी दोनों में क्या बेसिक डिफरेंस है कि प्राइमरी बैटरी को हम यूज़ होने के बाद रिचार्ज नहीं कर सकते, बल्कि जो सेकेंडरी बैटरीज होती हैं उनको यूज़ होने के बाद दोबारा रिचार्ज किया जा सकता है. दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन primary and secondary batteries. In case of primary batteries, the most familiar example of this type is the dry cell, in which reaction occurs only once, and after use over a period of time battery becomes dead. Dry cell आपने देखा होगा जो ट्रांजिस्टर्स, रेडियोस या फिर आपकी टार्चेज में यूज़ होता है, वो एक बार यूज़ होने के बाद दोबारा उसको रिचार्ज नहीं कर सकते. द ड्राई सेल इज आल्सो नोन एज द लेक्लांस सेल एंड आफ्टर इट डिस्कवरर विच इज़ यूज कॉमनली इन आवर ट्रांजिस्टर एंड क्लॉक्स. द सेल, इस सेल में है क्या, कैसे वर्क करता है? द सेल कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए जिंक कंटेनर that also acts as anode, and the cathode is a carbon या graphite rod surrounded by powdered manganese dioxide and carbon. यानी इसके अंदर जिंक का कंटेनर है जो एनोड का कार्य करता है, और कैथोड इट एक्ट्स एज ए ग्रेफाइट रॉड, और इसके अंदर व्हाट इज द सोल्यूशन? MnO2, कार्बन, जिंक क्लोराइड एंड मॉइस्ट अमोनियम क्लोराइड. द इलेक्ट्रोड रिएक्शंस आर anode, zinc is converted into zinc ion plus 2 electron, and cathode MnO2 plus 2 NH4 positive plus 2 electron, it is converted into MnOH plus ammonia. Ammonia is absorbed by zinc and it forms complex with zinc in the form of ZnNH3 का whole 4 2 positive, that is tetraamine zinc ion, and the cell has a potential of nearly 1.5 volt. In the reaction at cathode, magnesium is reduced from the +4 oxidation state to +3 oxidation state. The next example, in case of primary cell, is the mercury cell या button cell. Mercury cell या button cell is suitable for low current devices like hearing aids, watches, etc. Therefore, it is called button cell. छोटा साइज होने के कारण it is termed as the button cell. It consists of zinc mercury amalgam as anode and the paste of HgO and carbon as the cathode. यानी इसमें जिंक मरकरी एमलगम एनोड का वर्क करता है, और पेस्ट ऑफ मर्क्यूरिक ऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन इट एक्ट्स एज द कैथोड. द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज ए पेस्ट ऑफ KOH and ZnO. The electrode reactions are Zn plus 2OH minus, it is converted into ZnO plus H2O plus 2 electron. At cathode, HgO plus H2O plus electron, Hg plus 2OH negative. The overall reaction is represented by Zn plus HgO, it forms ZnO plus Hg. A very important question which always comes in the board exam, why the potential of the button cell remains constant during its whole life. The reason? The cell potential is approximately 1.35 volt and it remains constant during its life, as the overall reaction does not involve any ion. Listen seriously, overall reaction does not involve any ion in solution whose concentration can change during its lifetime. Now next is the secondary varieties. As I have already explained to you, the secondary batteries are those batteries which can be recharged by passing current through in it in the opposite direction so that it can be used again. A very good example of the secondary cell which is the lead storage batteries commonly used in automobiles and inverter. अब इसमें होता क्या है, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए लेड एनोड आउटर एरिया एंड ए ग्रिड, इसके अंदर ग्रिड ऑफ लेड पैक्ड विद PbO2 एज इन द पोरस फॉर्म एज एनोड, यानी इसके अंदर जो प्लेट होती हैं वो लेड पैक्ड विद लेड ऑक्साइड एज कैथोड. ए 38% solution of sulfuric acid is used as an electrolyte. The cell reaction when the battery is in use are given below. Anode Pb plus SO4, it form PbSO4 plus 2 electron, and cathode Pb plus SO4 plus 4H positive plus 2 electron, PbSO4 plus 2H2O. That is, overall cell reaction consists of cathode and anode reaction is Pb plus PbO2 plus 2H2SO4. It forms 2 PbSO4 plus 2H2O. Thus, during the formation of water, the gravity of sulfuric acid change. On charging the battery, the reaction is reverse, and PbSO4 on anode and cathode is converted into Pb and PbO2, and water is consumed. Therefore, battery is charged. Now, next example of the secondary battery is, that is, next example of the secondary battery is nickel cadmium battery, which has longer life than the lead storage cell, but it is more expensive. It is very important point. This is more expensive in comparison to lead storage batteries in the manufacture. The overall reaction and during discharge is cadmium plus NiOH whole thrice, CdO plus 2 NiOH whole twice plus 2H2O. Thank you.